Good morning everyone, it's Damian here from ReBuilding Burnout. I just want to introduce you to the concept I call the magic morning. Now that magic is going to be different for every single person, so I've decided just to share what it looks like for me. Now whatever that is for you, what I want to encourage you to do today is to start making that happen. If it's just going for a walk, if it's having a swim or a ride, going to the gym, having coffee with friends, whatever, starting the day in a way that makes you feel magical, that's not filling your head with bad news stories, that's scrolling endlessly through social media, that's setting your alarm for the last possible minute to get out of bed and rush to work. Whatever it looks like for you, then start doing that. Start bringing some magic into your day. Now, a couple of things to note. When you watch this clip, if you have any idea about human movement or yoga, you'll very, very quickly realize that I have no idea what I'm doing. And you know what? That's totally okay. It's not about being perfect, because none of us actually are. It's about starting a day for me and just being in acceptance of who I am and where my life's at, and knowing that if I don't have the answers today, that if I just sit and be still, that the answers will come to me if I'm patient. If I go rushing about trying to chase things, I'll probably never find the answers. So it's okay that the poses aren't perfect. That's all fine. A funny side note though, when we were shooting this, I started to get this thought in my head of like, I'm still not fit because of chronic fatigue. I can't hold my body weight. My postures are terrible. People are going to realise I don't know what I'm doing. And all these things that are just like not actually important and not real, they're just thoughts. And at that second, actually when I was doing Down the Dog, this dog came from nowhere and just jumped up and wanted a pat and was having the absolute time of its life. And I just stopped and I just realised, like, this is what it's about. It's about just connecting with a random dog and having a laugh. Like a year ago, I would have been so angry that this like perfect shoot was ruined, whatever it might be. One last final really important shout out. Thank you very, very much to Matt McHugh for lending me some really cool tunes to support this clip. If anyone wants to know how to find true magic within about 30 seconds, please follow the link to Matt McHugh and know that with every purchase, you're supporting an incredibly talented independent artist. Take care everyone, and remember to have fun.
We're too young to be confused. We're too old to be amused. Would you lean on me if you had to lean on something? Would you? It's too cold to catch a fire. There are burdens on the pile. Maybe we could make up an answer to their questions before they do. Black like the valley floor, the ocean like avalanche. Each wave keeps breaking like never before.